Alright, hey guys, here we have a Casablanca Avalon in chrome. Haven't really been doing too many videos lately as I've been pretty busy and a little short on change, but I did manage to scoop this one up as it was fairly local. Obviously, difference between this one and my last one is this one has a K5B, which is a pretty rare spotlight kit. I don't get why this wasn't a thing, because the difference between like this spotlight kit and every other spotlight kit is it actually seems to light much more evenly with, your standard 4 spotlight kits. You have all 4 corners of your room lit except for right below the fan. So I think this was a really good idea, and I don't know why it didn't stick. But yeah, really cool fan. This fan is from September 17th, 1992, and was the 273rd fan made that day. So this is the older one that actually says Avalon, which is pretty cool. This fan was installed in a dinette, I believe. So it's not the cleanest fan. I got all the metal pretty cleaned up, but the blades are still kind of grimy. So I'll have to work on that. But other than that, really cool fan. Glad to finally get a second one. Not that I've really been looking for one, but couldn't pass it up. There's a couple scratches on the center fitter because if the fan wobbled, the lights actually were, these Casablanca was good at doing a lot of things. Making spotlight kits was not one of them. So, with the heat and everything from the light bulbs, they tend to drop a lot, and that resulted in the center fitter getting kind of scratched up from the fan shaking a little, and the lights moving on it continuously. But it's still cleaned up pretty nice. Lights aren't as noticeable as they were before. But yeah, go ahead and test out the light kit. Oh my gosh, you kidding? Okay, well that light did work before I tested it, so magic. Actually, that light, the connections broke, so the socket was just kind of stuck in there. Let's test out the fan. This one seems like it has a little bit of hum to it. I don't remember if my last one had that or not. Also, this one has an XLP motor, so sometime between the time I bought it and when it was made, got a motor swap. I'm guessing the bearings or something locked up on it, so probably has a new flywheel, but I'm not totally sure. Figured, if they're replacing the motor, they're probably gonna put a new flywheel on there too, but who knows. Flywheel is in pretty good shape. My last one, I know, was so out of balance that the blade bracket actually goes between the flywheel and the switch housing. That those little fins or whatever were actually hitting the switch housing. I don't remember as big of a difference between low and medium on my last one either. This one actually has a difference. Right, and let's go to hot. Oh, when I got this one, the light pull chain, not only was it not connected to anything, so it just had the wires there, it also completely fell apart, so I had to get a new pull chain for that. So that was fun. course, a little noisier than a normal fan. Fairly quick spin down, as those blades do have a lot of drag to them. Alright, well there's the 5 blade configuration. I'm going to go swap it to 4 and we'll be right back. Alright, well I am back with the 4-blade configuration, and let me tell you, that center fitter definitely makes things more difficult. So I see why the seller took the light kit off. Actually having that center fitter makes the light kit an even bigger pain to put on, so maybe that's why they took it off later on, but who knows. Anyways, yeah, 4 blades. You get the idea. Yeah, I think that center fitter is my favorite thing about this. Don't remember if I mentioned it in my last Avalon video, but I drove like 2 hours for that thing. And this one I drove like maybe 10 minutes. Yeah, it was like a 10-minute drive, I think, if that. Yeah, but the other Avalon video, other Avalon, I guess, was a little bit more worth it, because I got those 2 craft-made decoratives. And the Panama, I guess. I don't know if I'd really say the Panama made that big of a difference. Actually, when I got there, though, the store only had the decoratives and the Avalon. So we had to go back to the house that he was renovating to get the Panama. I figured while I'm out there, I might as well get that too. Alright, go to medium. Alright, mid high. In for a quick spin now. Alright, well there's my Casablanca Avalon. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.